Hello guys, this is an unboxing of this TP-Link Tapo security camera. It has 2 years warranty, so it's a good deal to get this camera. It works with motion detection, notification, night vision, 1080p high resolution, and also can record into a micro SD card, right? So it also works with Alexa and Google. So it looks pretty good. Let's just unbox, and in another video I'm going to set it up, right? So here what I have in the box. Basically, I see already here a template so you can install the camera onto a wall, for example, and then comes some paperwork, and here the camera itself. There we go. So it's a pretty small camera. Here I can see the slot for SD card, and also I can see a reset button just right here. And here is speaker. So the camera has audio so you can talk, and somebody close to the camera can listen here. And as you can see here, you can install it onto a wall. There we go. You have here the spaces that you can use the screws, and you can basically use this template for the installation, okay? So pretty good, that's the camera. And here's some accessories, like this one, for example, is just to connect to the camera so you can power it up. So it's just here on the bottom, you have this option to connect to the camera, and you just power it up and you're good to go. And then also, of course, here you have the screws and anchors for the camera installation, right? So it's pretty simple, okay? Just the camera with the power supply and the screws, templates, and some paperwork, right? Basically, this is the Tapo, TP-Link Tapo. This is a quick unbox, and in the next videos I'm going to set it up. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to this channel, leave your thumbs up in your comments, and I see you in the next one.